Hi guys! So I just got home. I feel super tired pero worth it because I've met several people. And I'm super happy and excited. Kasi finally, I found the best vehicle wherein I can be very profitable with my trading journey. I know there are several of you who have been very skeptical na maniwala sa akin because I was scammed several times. But to tell you honestly, wala akong pera na yun is just our extra money. That 2.5 million is just an extra fund. Now, of course, willing naman ako i-risk. That is why, whenever we do trading, it is important that you put the money that you afford to lose. Because I know to myself, na kaya-kaya naman kitain yun ulit. And for those people na naniniwala and gusto din kumita ng ganun, ng million, syempre. I hope you're taking this opportunity for you also to grow sa financial aspect sa life mo. If you will not gonna believe, if you will not risk, then you have to work all your life for money. You have to understand that in order for you to have financial freedom, you need to adapt to change. Kailangan mag-adapt ka sa mga pagbabago. And right now, it's all about digital. Kung hindi ka makapag-keep up dun sa digital world ngayon, then definitely mahihirapan ka na maging successful sa future. That is why I'll be sharing this to you, so you will also be able to explore and make profit from it. So right now, I'm using Manara, and here's the chart. You will be able to get signals dito ng mga iba't ibang currencies. So available yung mga currencies dyan. May kita mo rin dyan kung ano yung i-entry mo, kung sell or buy. Pag downward siya, it's sell. Kung upward siya, that's buy. So say for example, we will be choosing this Euro-USD pair. So may kita mo dito, meron ng harmonious pattern na mag-reflect. Tas scan niya na yung market. And you can choose your own time frame. Say for example, you will be choosing a higher time frame, which is a day. You can also choose 5 minutes or 1 hour time frame. So I highly suggest gamitin nyo yung HTF or higher time frame. And from here, makikita nyo na dito yung kung saan kayong entry papasok. So say for example, dito na kayo papasok na entry. Hindi nyo na kailangan i-analyze yung chart. Kasi available na po dito yung mga papasukan yung entry. So, say for example, ito, papasok ka at 1.082242 and then maglalagay kayo ito ng take profit mo. Ito yung take profit mo, nakalagay na rin dyan, 1.080686. Pwede ka rin maglagay ng second take profit mo. Meron na rin dito stop loss. Ayan, lalagay mo lang itong 1.08299989. And then, I'll show you kung paano nyo ilalagay ang entry na yan. Hi guys! So, first is you need to download this MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. So in my case, ang ginagamit ko is MetaTrader 4. So what you need to do is to first get an account with XM. Nandyan po yan sa aking bio. Mag-register lang po kayo sa XM. Once you have opened an account with XM, then log in nyo lang dito sa MetaTrader 4 and then log into an existing account. So once you have logged in, input nyo lang po yan dito sa trade tab and then click nyo lang po to, market execution. Hanapin nyo muna syempre pala yung kung anong currency siya. So, ang currency natin is Euro-USD. So, Euro-USD ang iti-trade mo. So, click your trade. Tapos, lagay mo dito yung stop loss. So, kung ang stop loss na nakalagay dito is 1.082989. Then, ang take profit is 1.08686. So, that's the time that you will be selling. Okay? Kasi, nakalagay dito is sell. Ayan. So, dapat nakasell ka dyan. So, click mo lang tong sell by market and then that's it. So, nakapag-execute ka na ng order.